What's going on, everybody? I'm back on the channel. I hope everyone's doing good. I know with all this weird COVID restriction stuff going on, it's a super hassle to do anything. Like even my driver's license. Even with me to try and get my driver's license, literally my next appointment to go get my license is in February. But the governor in Texas did some alleviating stuff, so technically you could ride around with expired license right now and do that stuff later, so they don't care. So welcome to Texas. Yeah, so I got the Mustang right there. It's literally just it's just making me mad. I don't even want to talk about it. The header was rattling, more knock issues. A rat got into the freaking harness and chewed some stuff. That's staying there. If you know one of my friends, if you are one of my friends, you know I have a daily right here. But what this video is gonna be about is that I got something that I've been needing for a while. Came across the opportunity to try and get it. Initially what I wanted to do was to buy this, to flip it, because these things are worth a lot of money from what I'm seeing. But something about this one I know is gonna be really good because it's original. It hasn't been messed with as much. It's a little dirty, but we finally got a tow vehicle for the channel and for me, for the Mustang, grocery getter, parts getter, utility vehicle, whatever you want to call it. I'm super excited that I have it now, and here it is. But here it is. I'm super happy about having it, and hopefully this works. Looks at it. Boom! There it is. 96 two-door Tahoe in black. I freaking love it. I mean, I did have one. I had an 04. I wasn't really like it was cool, but this is freaking dope. This is a two-door Tahoe. One of my homies always talked about it. I was like, dude, whatever. Like, I don't know what your obsession is over these things. My homie Greg, and I don't know. After looking at him, because I was gonna buy it to sell it, I'm keeping this thing. I mean, for one, it's not regged out. It's clean. It's original. It's not really messed with. You need a trans. That'll be an easy fix in and out. And I'm sitting on so much positive equity, and it's a freaking two-door, man. It's a two-door hoe. This is a coupe Tahoe. This is the coupe Tahoe, man. I might just put a sunroof in it. I got it for a pretty sweet deal. I'm not gonna let you know how much I got this one for, but if you go ahead and try and look up a Z71 96 two-door Tahoe 93 to 99, I've been doing a lot of research on these freaking things. They go for quite a good amount of money. Now this one does need a transmission, so that's why it's in here parked, and you see it does need a little bit of work, but I'm super freaking happy to have this thing. You see paint's a little faded, needs a little bit of work. This car did sit because the trans went out on the guy, you know, obviously, but I like it. I freaking dig it. Don't mind that door panel. The guy took it off. I guess it needs a window regulator, but you know, it needs a little work. Needs a little work. For the most part, everything is still here. Nothing's messed with. It's not like all these other ones I went to go look at, because I went to go look at a few. Half the dash is missing, has some radio in it. Headliner's not even there. This seat is like held on with like a piece of wood down there.
Interior, not too bad a shape. Not the prettiest thing in the whole world, certainly. Driver's seat's pretty messed up. I got a block of wood back there, keeping it upright.
Oh, and this window actually works. I have the battery disconnected right now just because I don't want to sit here and die while I wait on some stuff. So look at that. Closes real nice. It's real easy. But the body, super straight. All the windows are there. Nothing's cracked and broken or crazy. There's no signs of it being in a super crazy major accident. I mean, you can see all the even door panel gaps. All right, you know, it has a dent. All right, whatever, I don't care. I still love it. For some reason, I don't know why. I don't know why. Chato, what do you think? Damn junkyard dog. I'm gonna name it Shirley. This is my hoe Shirley. Let's see if I can open the hood. So if you are looking to get one, these two doors were made from 93 to 99. They all come with 5.7s, but this one is a 5.7 Vortec. The heads and the intake are a little different. Fuel injection is a little different, but I guess this one is like the higher performing one. Well, whatever. I just happened to get a 96. To me, it really didn't matter which one I would get, but I ended up getting this one, so I freaking love it. I freaking love this thing because it's a two-door, man. To me, this is like it's like a two-door SUV. It's a coupe version of an SUV. It's like having a Tahoe coupe, if that makes sense. But yeah, I mean, you can check it out. That's the door panel that was there, and most of like the cup holder's still there. Wait, can I zoom in on this thing? Can I zoom in? I wonder if I can zoom in. Boom! Look, oh man, DJI for the win. I freaking love it. Sport, fool. You know, it needs some work, fender flares and stuff like that, but for the little bit that I did drive it, from putting it on the trailer from the backyard and moving it up in here, I can tell you, it's not a piece. I was in one of these. The freaking thing had a body lift on a 3-inch lift on some 31-inch tires, and all the suspension control arms were just, everything was done. That thing was a piece. Oh man, I'm actually hit the button. Let me show you that this thing actually still works. Oh wait, no, I got the battery disconnected. I can't do that. Anyways, I freaking love it. I dig it. I can't wait to get it fixed. There's this place in Amarillo, Precision Transmissions, that I've seen him do a lot of rebuilds, and he also rebuilt a few of some like big like heavy hitter like freaking no prep street outlaw type shit, whatever. He even did David Van Voris's engine in his orange Mustang. I mean, transmission, the Turbo 400 that he has in it. So he gave me a quote. I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and go over there and get this thing running, because other than that, once I get the trans in it and get it inspected, I can use it and drive it and do all the little stuff that I want to it, get a fresh paint job on it. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna put a lift and do all that crazy stuff right now, but I like the fact that it's just all original and it's not messed up, and you're starting from ground one. And that's kind of the reason why when I bought this car, when I bought the Mustang, I wanted to buy it new, because I didn't want to go behind someone else to see if they did like some half-ass stuff. So being that I have this one that's all original, I don't got to go behind anyone that did some real janky freaking all kinds of crazy stuff. But you see, the guy like wanted to take care of it. We got a new alternator, we got a new water pump, little stuff here and there. Actually, let me see if I can turn it on. All right, see if this thing starts. Nope. So I guess we'll hear it start in another video. But for now, that's it. This thing actually does run and drive super freaking, I mean, run super smooth. No tick, knock, or nothing. And another good thing about it, all the exhaust is factory underneath. All the suspension is factory. Hey, there we go. That's not a Hellcat. And that's another good thing about it. It's all original, and it's not there, and doesn't have all this other kind of bullcrap that's on it. So I'm super happy that I have it. This is going to be on the channel a lot, because it's going to be my main. It's going to be the daily now, because I'm not going to have that daily. I'm going to have this as a daily, and it's a two-door, and it's two-door gang. Sorry, I got really excited. Honestly, I'm probably like a little bit more excited to have this and work on it, probably more over than when I got the Mustang, because with a Mustang you get a new, you know, everyone in the world expects you to freaking put some twins on it the first 2 weeks you have it. Whatever, that's not me. My pockets ain't that deep right now. Yeah. But yeah, with this being just the old, just 90s, essentially pickup, whatever you want to call it. To me, it's never a truck. To me, it is not a truck. It is an SUV. I'm not gonna call it a truck. I'm not gonna call it SUV. I'm gonna just say Tahoe, because it's its own thing. It's not a Jeep. Jeeps are their own thing. I'm not even gonna start the whole argument, but I freaking love it. It's my hoe. Her name's Shirley. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff to get up to it. I can't wait to freaking drive it and start doing any little thing that I want to it, because with this one, I really do not care what anyone thinks. I'm gonna do whatever I want with it. And another good thing, that when I get it running and get up and going, I'm sitting on a lot of positive equity. So if a rainy day does come by, or if someone does come by and like, hey man, I'll give you like 9,500, I'll give you like 11 grand. I'm like, nah, you know, but I'd love it. More to come. Like I said, I've just been super busy, and I'll be up on the videos a lot more. I'll get that thing up and going a lot more, and we'll go from there. So I hope you have a good one. I'll see you later. I don't know, man. I don't know what it is, but it's just every day, every freaking day. I don't care who comments or who says this thing looks like a piece of caca. I don't care. It is mine. It's here to stay. Not getting rid of it unless I have to. You know, have to. I'm talking like shit hit the fan. If you know me, you know some stuff may have already hit the fan some places, and I don't even have a fan anymore. But this is it. Here to stay. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what else to say. Like, there's been a few that I went to go look at and I got shot down. And I was like, man, whatever. Oh, Jesus Christ. Freaking dog fights happening over here. Hey, calm down. Stop it. You're being mean. But I love it. It's my hoe. It's my hoe. It's my hoe. And I can't wait to do little stuff here to it and just make it. I can see the vision of what I want. It's going to be hard. It's going to be tough. And like I said, I'm gonna keep doing stuff to it, so I'll keep everyone posted. And that's pretty much what's going on. I got the Tahoe. Working on the Mustang and get that put together for some issues that it's giving me, and then it's on from there. We can go back. I've just been super busy with work, you know, but I'll stay on it. Would y'all stop? Y'all like a married couple. Jeez. I hope you have a good one. Peace.